I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I am going to drop an anvil on Mike. And now let's do this. There it is. I see Mike. But he is sleeping. So I'm gonna drop the anvil. Here we go.
Whoosh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. My body bones. You hurting me and drop the anvil.
Yes. I drop an anvil on Mike. Yes. I drop an anvil on Mike. Yes. I drop an anvil on Mike.
Dave, what are you doing in here? And what doing all the bad stuff all the time?
I just drop an anvil on Mike.
Oh, whoa, 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 my mother god, Dave. How mother freaking dare you drop an anvil on Mike? When my dog get hurt your bone and take them to the hospital. That is so freaking it. You are grounded for life.